after he checked his level and he's secure. Here's the window. He has to fasten it. These windows come with their own screws.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?
I think this is the way we turned out this window here.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right.
Yep.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be.
We want to install starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on the slot. Make sure